Starting a workout routine can feel overwhelming, especially if the idea of exercise seems more like a chore than something enjoyable. Whether it's the fear of not knowing where to start, a lack of motivation, or just the thought of exerting effort, many people avoid working out. But the truth is, regular exercise has countless benefits for both your body and mind, and it doesn't have to be a struggle. In this video, we'll explore how to start working out even if you really dislike the idea. By breaking things down into manageable steps and finding a routine that works for you, you can ease into exercise without feeling forced. Whether you're new to fitness or struggling to stay motivated, these tips will help you get started on the right foot and make working out a more enjoyable part of your life. 1. Start with small, manageable goals. One of the biggest mistakes people make when they're starting to work out is setting unrealistic goals. If you expect to run a marathon within the first month of exercising or aim for extreme results, you're setting yourself up for frustration. Instead, focus on small, achievable goals that will help you build confidence and stay motivated. Start by committing to just 10 minutes of exercise a day or aiming for 3 workouts a week. As you begin to build consistency, you can gradually increase the intensity and frequency of your workouts. By keeping things manageable, you reduce the pressure on yourself, which makes it easier to stay committed. Over time, these small victories will add up, and you'll naturally begin to enjoy the process of working out. 2. Choose activities you actually enjoy. Exercise doesn't have to be limited to running on a treadmill or lifting weights at the gym. It's important to find physical activities that you genuinely enjoy, as this will increase your chances of sticking with it. Whether it's dancing, swimming, hiking, or even gardening, there are countless ways to get moving that don't involve traditional workouts. Start by experimenting with different activities and see what sparks your interest. If you hate running, try cycling, yoga, or a fitness class instead. By choosing activities that feel fun or fulfilling, working out becomes something you look forward to rather than something you dread. The key is to find an exercise routine that aligns with your personal preferences, making it more sustainable in the long run. 3. Break your workouts into short sessions. If the thought of committing to an hour-long workout session feels overwhelming, try breaking your workouts into smaller, more manageable chunks. Instead of trying to fit in a full workout all at once, split it up into shorter sessions throughout the day. For example, you could do a 10-minute workout in the morning, another 10-minute session in the afternoon, and a 10-minute stretch before bed. Shorter sessions are not only less intimidating, but they also make it easier to stay consistent. Over time, you'll start to see progress, and you may even start to enjoy these mini workouts. Consistency is key, and breaking your exercise routine into smaller segments can help you stay committed without feeling burnt out. 4. Make it a habit with a set schedule. One of the easiest ways to ensure you stick with your workout routine is by making it a regular part of your daily schedule. Try to exercise at the same time each day, whether it's in the morning, afternoon, or evening. Consistency will help your body get used to this new routine and make it easier to form the habit. Start by marking your workouts on your calendar, setting reminders on your phone, or using a fitness app to track your progress. Once you've committed to a set time, it becomes part of your daily routine, just like brushing your teeth or eating meals. Over time, exercising will feel like a natural and necessary part of your day, and you won't have to force yourself to do it. 5. Find a workout buddy or join a group. Working out doesn't have to be a solo activity. In fact, having a workout buddy or joining a group can make exercising more enjoyable and help keep you motivated. Find a friend, family member, or colleague who shares similar fitness goals and commit to working out together. Not only will this make exercise more fun, but it also adds an element of accountability, as you won't want to let your workout buddy down. If you don't have a workout partner, consider joining a fitness class, sports team, or online workout group. The social aspect of exercising can help reduce any negative feelings you may have toward working out and keep you motivated. Plus, you'll have someone to share the experience with, making it more enjoyable. 6. Focus on the positive benefits. Sometimes, it's easy to get stuck focusing on the effort it takes to exercise, especially if you're not used to it. However, shifting your focus to the positive benefits of working out can help change your mindset. Exercise boosts your mood by releasing endorphins, the body's natural feel-good hormones, which can help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Regular workouts also improve your sleep quality, increase your energy levels, and help you feel more confident. When you start to focus on how great you'll feel after your workout, it becomes easier to push through the initial resistance. By changing your perspective, you'll begin to see exercise as a reward rather than a burden. 7. Track your progress and celebrate small wins. One of the best ways to stay motivated is by tracking your progress and celebrating the small victories along the way. Whether it's increasing the number of push-ups you can do, running a little farther each week, or simply sticking with your workout routine for a full month, these milestones are worth celebrating. Keep a workout journal or use a fitness app to track your achievements. When you see how far you've come, it will motivate you to continue pushing forward. Celebrating your progress, no matter how small, will help you build momentum and reinforce the positive habit of working out. It's these little wins that add up to big results over time, and they'll keep you excited about your fitness journey. 8. Start slow and build gradually. It's important to remember that progress takes time, and you don't have to jump into intense workouts right away. Starting slow and gradually increasing the intensity of your workouts will not only prevent injury but will also allow your body to adapt at a healthy pace. Begin with simple exercises that are easy to perform and work your way up as your strength and endurance improve. This gradual approach will make exercise feel less intimidating, and you'll experience a sense of accomplishment as you build your fitness level over time. By taking it slow, you ensure that your body is prepared for more intense workouts without risking burnout or injury. 9. Reward yourself for staying consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to working out, and rewarding yourself for staying on track is a great way to reinforce positive behavior. After a week of completing your workouts, treat yourself to something special: a massage, a healthy meal at your favorite restaurant, or a relaxing day off. These rewards help create a positive association with exercise and motivate you to continue showing up. It's important to celebrate your dedication, no matter how small the reward. Positive reinforcement will keep you motivated and make working out feel more rewarding. Starting a workout routine may feel challenging at first, but with the right approach, it's possible to make it an enjoyable part of your life. By setting small, manageable goals, choosing activities you love, and sticking with it, you'll soon find that working out doesn't have to be something you dread. Remember, the key is consistency, and by implementing these tips, you'll start to build a lasting habit that boosts both your physical and mental well-being. Scroll down and check the link. You might discover something your routine has been missing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on how to improve your health and fitness.